Hello, folks. We are on the Carnival Celebration, and I'm going to give you a tour of our ocean suite that we've been staying in. We have been staying in room 9458. So, go ahead and show you what it's in here. This is a 5-person ocean suite. So, when you come in, you have your bathroom right here when you walk in. I'm actually going to show you all that as we leave out. So you come in, you have your king size bed, and because you're in a suite, you have premium linen. So it actually has a nice duvet cover, pillows. You have nightstand on each side. Now, if you are doing twin, it will be, then move it to the side, move those to the side, and then you'll have it on the inside. You have reading lamps with USB on each side as well. Also, I thought it was a nice feature. The headboard has lighting in it as well. So if you don't want, because honestly, the reading lights are very bright. You have nice ceiling light. And when you come in further, you have a TV. It's about a 45-inch. It's pretty good. Plenty of counter space. Of course, you all know we have 3 girls, so a lot of times counter space gets used up quickly. And it does have a chair with a back. It does not have it's not a stool, so it's good. Anybody that's trying to do some work from on the cruise ship or bring your laptop, you can do that. All right, you have 4 USB ports, 3 outlets, and then you have your phone. They are American outlets, so you don't have to worry about bringing like a converter or anything. In here, they have, well, we've already used it, but you do get, as an ocean suite, you get 1 complimentary laundry service. So we already did that, washed a lot of the kids' clothes. Your room service menu. You do have a dryer, a hair dryer, so you don't have to bring your own. Now, the best part is that this is an actual cooler. So I know a lot of them, they're just like not a fruit cooler, sorry. It's an actual fridge. So, a lot of them, they're just a cooler. It doesn't actually keep your stuff cool. No, this keeps your stuff cool. As being a suite, in the suites, you do get 2 bottles of water. I think it's a bottle per adult. So we got 2. And then you have your closet space. And it is plenty of storage. There's 5 of us. So plenty of storage. The first one, you have a good amount of hangers. You have your safe here. And then these racks actually pull out to put stuff on. So you can put stuff on each rack if you fold it. Put it on there. Then you open this up. You have more hangers. So if you have ladies or you have dresses, gowns, you can hang that up. This actually pulls down. If I could get it to pull down. All right, there you go. So this actually pulls down, and you can make it another shelf if you don't need the extra long space. So push that back up. So you have 2 more shelves down here. And then this is a full slide out. So say you want to put your shoes there, you can do that. Lighting in the cabinet, so if it's dark, you don't have to turn all the lights on in the room. You can just get everything out here. Oh, where is it? There is one here. One of them. Ah, here it is. Full-size mirror. So, you know, if you want to see how you looking. And you also have more closet space here. Double racks for storing. Plenty of hangers for it to hang up everything you need. All right. So, moving on to the other half of the room. We have, as I said, we have the 5-person. So the couch actually turns into a full-size bed. So we have the girls, 2 of the girls sleeping on here. And then up above, we have the pull down bed. And the best part is that they have their own TV as well. So you have 2 TVs in here. More drawer space. They pretty much cleaned up everything. Like I said, we actually leave tomorrow. This is our last day. So you got 6 drawers over here for more storage space, more counter space as well. Then we're gonna go out to the patio, the balcony. So here on the balcony, you have 2 chairs. It's a really nice sized balcony. You got 2 chairs. The chairs do recline back. So you can, it's not like a lounger, but it does recline back. Now, about these balconies on the 9th floor, the only issue, and I've seen a lot of people don't show it, is that you do not have any privacy. As you see here, there's no cover on there. So, as you see, there's no cover on top of me, and the people up above can see down on you. So even if it's raining, there's no cover for you. So that's pretty much on deck 9 and deck 10. We're on the aft port side. So that's one of the downsides of these Ocean Suite rooms. Let me give you a better view of it. So you look up and everyone is there looking at you. So keep that in mind. All right. So we're gonna go back in here, and then show you the bathroom. And I have to say, it is a very nice, spacious bathroom. Come back through here. So you have some hooks. You want to hang your lanyards and everything. Also, speaking of hooks, the room is magnetic. The walls are magnetic. So you can hang your hooks up here. Hang them on the side as well. Pretty much anywhere on the walls. All right. So let's go in the bathroom. Show you all the bathroom. Standard, toilet. The shower is actually very big. I'm 6'3", very big guy, 300 plus. And I have plenty of space. We've actually watched, after going to the beach, shower all 3 girls at the same time in here. Plenty of space. Have your sink, and this is one of the biggest sinks we've seen on a cruise ship. So, sink, plenty of counter space, makeup mirror. You have your towels, and then you have shelving underneath as well. You do have they give you the Element shampoo and body wash. So that's a plus. It's very good. Has a little bit of essential oil in it. All right, so that is the Ocean Suite on the Carnival Celebration. This is the 5-person Ocean Suite. They do have 4-person as well. So it's all in how many you have going with you on in the room. So if you like the video, make sure you hit that like. If you want to see any of our other videos, we've had a different room tour videos as well, even on cruise ships. Make sure you hit that subscribe. All right.